Cute 3-bedroom, 1-bath rancher on 0.30 acres within minutes of public boat landing off Chesapeake Bay and close to new Point Lighthouse observation walkway. This home offers a nice family room to open kitchen and laundry room. You will enjoy the beautiful screened porch and deck off the kitchen. The floor in porch and deck is composite wood decking built to last. This home features oak floors, bay window, HVAC, 10 years, Haque Water treatment system, electric hot water heater, 6 years, dehumidifier in crawl space, and asphalt drive. The yard is nicely landscaped. Within walking to New Point RV Resort Park, you pay a small fee for use of pool and beach. This home makes a great starter home or getaway. You will be glad you called.